Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is not an makeup look. This is not a Toots and Tunes look, technically. This is just a fun look for Mardi Gras. Um, if you did not know, I'm originally from Louisiana, and I actually was in a few Mardi Gras parades, so I definitely have a huge love for Mardi Gras. And being in Florida, you don't really see it celebrated as much, except at Universal, and even then, they have it extended longer and it's weird. But I don't see a lot of people doing Mardi Gras tutorials, and I was like, you know what? Everyone else is worried about Valentine's Day. Let me do Mardi Gras and have some fun. So yeah, I really love how this turned out. I am freaking out because of how it actually looks. Like internally, I'm just like, oh my god, this is actually pretty. Because you're gonna see why. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. If you want to see how I create this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows with my. Actually, I don't think I even said this before. This is the new Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I love it. It's super cheap. I love it. Honestly, this is gonna be my go-to now. And I actually did prime my eyes using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And I set it using, what's the name of it? Dawn from the Subculture palette, and we're going to be using this today. And before we get into this, yes, I know I said I would probably never get this, but it's changed. The whole thing about it has changed. I know they've changed how they package it, and well, how they press it, so I do want to give it a chance. Just going to say, with that shade Dawn, I was still getting a very, like you can see, which is this shade right here. Come on, Kim. You can see kinda, it's already, I forgot there was a brush in there. Oops. But what I was saying is you can already see like it's dented already. So, we'll see how that goes. But going just above the crease, I'm going to dip into edge and go just above the crease. Okay, so that's actually very pigmented. I barely had to tap into the pan, and there wasn't that much kick up. So, yay, better than Dawn. So now I'm going to deepen the crease just a little bit by going into New Wave. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Destiny and just put that just under where I put New Wave. Before we go into any other color, I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend. Sticking with this blending brush, I'm going to dip into Untamed and just put that lower and just make it even deeper. Okay, so far I'm actually really liking this palette. I'm actually very surprised. So that's all I'm going to use for this palette right now. I was originally thinking of dipping into Rowdy, which is this like plumish brown purple color. But I don't want to really mess with this much more. So what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to spray this brush down. And I'm going to take this shade, it's Anastasia single called Enchanted. Oh my gosh, it looks even, oh my god. It's, I don't know how to describe it except for like a black based purple with like really bright purple reflex. So I'm going to spray my brush down, use that, and kind of do a semi-cut crease. Real quickly, I'm going to blend that out before I move on to the other eye. Okay, so I'm going to do that on this eye as well as liner, which I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights and Vivid Halo to do a wing. I'm wishing the screen was a little more vibrant, but I guess with the yellows it's not going to be as vibrant, but oh well. But yeah, I'm going to do a wing. I'm also going to curl my lashes, put on mascara, put on false lashes, put on a full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I have full face on. Holy shit, that highlighter is bright. And yeah, I'm gonna curse in this because it's Mardi Gras and fuck it. But yeah, Mardi Gras, no one cares. So going back with those same colors I put up top, I'm gonna stick more with the greens and just go underneath with Untamed Destiny, maybe a little bit of Rowdy. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Rowdy on the outer third, and then the rest will go in. Yeah. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend out. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of edge to blend out. Taking that packing brush I used for Enchanted, I'm going to take the shade Electric and pop that on the inner corner. So for the waterline today, I'll be taking my Sephora Collection. This is the the Contour Eye Pencil in Good Mood. Ooh, now my eyes are really popping. You don't see it on camera, but in person I'm like, oh my gosh, my eyes are getting hit by the light. I'm just like, woo! For mascara, Lash Renegade. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're gonna move on to the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'm gonna be taking an LA Splash liquid lipstick. This is one of their Lip Couture's, and this is in the shade Rhea. Wow, that is a big bird. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to set my face using my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm gonna let down my hair, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look. I love how this turned out, actually. I'm actually really surprised that I like this so much, especially because this is my first time using the Subculture palette. Again, I was very against this at first, so I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. So, Anastasia, thank you for making this one actually good. And I think I've said it before, like, I've had a weird history with Anastasia palettes. My Modern Renaissance palette that I got had no pigment to it whatsoever, and that made me not want to try the brand as much for eyeshadows. And then the whole debacle with Subculture, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get it. But you know what, Prism, I actually got Prism. I got the Prism palette. Yeah. But after seeing Prism and how well it did, I was like, okay, you know what, let me give Subculture let me give it a chance. So I'm glad I did, because I really do love this look. I'm going to stop rambling, and yeah, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button, because every time we release a new video, you'll get a notification. I talk really fast. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you next time. Bye, and happy Mardi Gras!